Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Yin. It's very encouraging to see this many people attend this event, even with only a few days' notice. Yes, we're gathered here. We have reason to be angry, and we must speak loud and clear and send a message. Today, we happen to put this together for local. Other similar rallies or protests have been over the countries, either in person or in this kind of a virtual Zoom format. I'd like to offer you a few of my personal remarks on this kind of an instance, that we must unite with a strong front, not only by API, but other groups and athletes together. I'll give you some numbers. In California, API Asian Americans accounted for about only 16%. But Hispanic voters will be about 36%. You add those two numbers together, we are a majority. That's one good reason that we must work together with other groups. Now, obviously, there will be some larger scale of a similar protest that I can share with you. Apapa is in the process of organizing a nationwide rally, and information will be released within only a couple of days. Now, this time, it's not going to be just few words speaking to ourselves. We must make this very loud and clear to the legislature and the mainstream medias. And this is the time we're going to let them realize that for the legislature, they must change the law, giving very, very tough and proper punishment to these crime makers. It's no longer just like a small cake and small issues. Now, in the meantime, I also like to share with our fellow Asian Americans that we also need to give a thought about ourselves. Why most of those incidents happen to be either Chinese American or few others? Is there anything that we probably need to also evaluate ourselves as far as our behavior or our way of so-called, merging into the mainstream? Last but not the least, I like to give some advice to people who happen to be very active in the small social media and exchanging shout and loud and yelling to each other. But unfortunately, I do not see them here tonight or to any general public. And that's not the way that we Asian American should behave ourselves. So those are my personal comments. Thank you so much. And again, hope to see you again.